This tutorial will show you how to add a sound file to a user's vocabulary file on the ChatPC device. Before you get started, you will want to make sure your screen resolution is set to 480 by 640 VGA portrait so that the buttons on the desktop chat program will be proportional to the buttons on the ChatPC. Click on View, Screen, and make sure that 480 by 640 VGA portrait is checked. Adding sound to a button is very easy using the desktop chat software program included with the device. So if you want to use the sound from the internet or other sound source, be sure to download the sound and remember where you've saved it on your computer. Then you will want to open the device user's latest file using the desktop chat program. It is very important that if you have made any modifications to the user's vocabulary file on the ChatPC directly, you will want to sync it with the desktop chat program first. This way the desktop chat program will have the identical user file as the ChatPC, and the new sounds will be uploaded to the most updated file. You will lose all changes you have made to that user file on the ChatPC if you do not sync the user file before making changes on the desktop chat program. So again, make sure you have the user file open that you want to modify using the desktop chat program. You will click on File, Vocab File, Load Vocab File. For this example, I will use my copy of the Palm Chat vocabulary file. Click OK and wait a moment. We will enter Edit Mode by clicking on Edit, then Edit Mode. Just a reminder, you will know you are in Edit Mode when you see the text down here on the bottom left. So let's say I want to add a barking sound to the dog button. So I will click on Things, then Animals, and here you see the dog.
Dog.
It says dog, but I want him to bark instead. So I will right-click on that button and click Edit Button. When my toolbox appears, I will click on the Actions tab. You see that right now it is set to speak a message. We will remove that action by clicking on Remove. Go up to the pull-down menu and find Play Audio. Then click Add. Another menu appears, which will give you some options. The first is to play audio. Then you see Record Audio. You will choose this button if you want to record a voice message or external sound. Keep in mind, if you are on desktop chat program, you will probably need to plug in an external microphone unless your computer has one built in. If you're recording a sound on the ChatPC directly, the microphone is already built into the device. For this example, I'm not going to record an external sound. I've already downloaded the barking dog sound to the file on my computer. Then you will see Import from File. We're going to click on that, and then you'll be able to search on your computer for the wave sound you want to use. Notice I have saved my sounds under a file called ChatPC Sounds, so I can easily find them. When you find the wave sound you want to use, double-click on it to select it. Then click Apply, then OK. Now when I click on the dog button, it will bark. Add the sound you want, but remember that all the sound files you record on the device are stored on the same memory card on which your libraries are stored, so you must be careful not to use up all your available memory. Once you have made all the changes to the user's vocabulary file on the desktop chat, sync with the ChatPC to export the current vocabulary file. Remember to sync with the computer on a regular basis if you are making changes to the desktop to the ChatPC directly, so the desktop chat will have a backup. So that was how to add a sound file to a button on the ChatPC using desktop chat software. If you have further questions, refer to the ChatPC manual or call us at 1-800-382-8622. Or you can email us at service@saltillo.com. Thanks for watching.